Okay. Reporting live from Cat Central. Tula's under the bed to the left. You can probably see her little face. I'll zoom in. There's Tula. Wave hello to your waving audiences. And there's Crumbum, looking wary as all get out, but alas and alack, there he is. They've been at an impasse for a little while now. Before they were doing stuff. Now I've turned the camera on, they're not, so I guess this will have to do for the time being. But look, Ma, no growling, right? Right. Okay. So that's your play-by-play for today. Oh, where's Tula? Oh, wait. Is she going for it? Is she going to reach the bed? Is she going to reach the bed? What's going to happen? Crumbum does not look amused. Wait, he's not even looking. Maybe that's why she's doing that. Here. Alright. So that's pretty much that. Oh, wait. See, every time I tell you I'm going to be done, I'm not. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Tula, growling. She is invading Crumbum's area, but yet she growls. Who knows why. Alright, signing off. This will be posted to YouTube thusly.